Buyers across the U.S. are going mad for the new and improved 2024 Hyundai Sonata. With its bold new look that's putting Toyotas, Audis, and even BMWs to shame. But it's not just the exterior that's had a makeover, the interior has too. So to make sure you don't miss out on all the fun, here are the 10 best features of the new Sonata that are making it so popular. Number 1. Fresh new exterior. Sonata's new exterior shows that sedans are making a big comeback. They're haughtier, they are hotter, sportier, and sexier than ever. In fact, in their official release, the Koreans from Hyundai talked about a sensuous sportiness that defines the Sonata's new exterior. And oh boy, they were so right! The 2024 Hyundai Sonata is rockin' a killer futuristic vibe. First introduced in the US on its compact sibling, the 2024 Kona SUV. The revamped front grille and air intakes are a huge improvement over the previous pre-facelift version. They are bigger, giving the car an overall bolder look. The main feature is Hyundai's seamless horizon lamp, a long, horizontal daytime running light that spans nearly the entire front end. According to the Korean manufacturer, it's inspired by the first light you see at dawn. Whether that's true or not, we're not here to judge, but anyways, the full-width LED strip does make the car's stance a lot broader. The Sonata is now a sedan that means business. One of you actually suggested in the comments section of our first Sonata video that Hyundai should have combined the Sonata's front with the Ioniq 6's rear for the perfect car. Yes, you've got a point. In the front, the 2024 Sonata cleverly conceals its headlights within the bumper's black trim, highlighting the car's sleek, low-profile appearance. You've got to love their creativity here. Hyundai is different, and they aren't afraid to show it. If you think the updated Sonata also looks wider, well yes, you're right. It's thanks to the horizontal design touches Hyundai put in. The performance-driven N-Line version also returns with even more sharper angles and a honeycomb grille pattern. From the profile, the 2024 Sonata also looks good with that four-door coupe styling. The Sonata N-Line brings it up a notch with redesigned 19-inch wheels. The back showcases a revamped design as well. An H-shaped taillight now dominates the rear, linking both corners and mirroring the front's broad look. Starting behind the wheels, a fresh black trim stretches to accommodate the license plate and the exhaust. The trunk shape seems unchanged, but given all the other modifications, its appearance is notably improved. The Sonata N-Line brings it up a notch with a rear spoiler and dual exhaust tips. The paint color palette is also impressive, with a lot of great choices, from the N-Line's Aero Matte Silver to Biophilic Blue Pearl and Ultimate Red Metallic. Overall, the new Sonata blends sports coupe aesthetics with a stretched hood, low frontal view, and a fastback roofline. It's fresh, it's modern, and it's cool. Number 2. Futuristic interior. A lot of changes have been happening on the inside as well. The centerpiece of the cutting-edge redesign is the panoramic curved display that integrates twin 12.3-inch screens, the digital instrument panel, and the infotainment screen. BMW vibes? Yes, but it's not bad. And there are a lot more changes in there worth noting. The steering wheel is new. The driver info displays are redesigned. The materials stretching from the dashboard to the rear passenger section and the ambient lighting exude a certain premium feeling. Although that's not Sonata's segment. For audiophiles, Sonata has an optional Bose stereo system to offer, with 12 speakers ensuring a pretty cool audio experience. The 2024 Sonata N-Line boasts plush suede and Nappa leather seats with electric adjustments, including lumbar and bolster adjustments for the driver's seat, heating and ventilated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Additionally, it's equipped with a 360-degree camera system and rear seat sunshades. Moreover, the back seats offer decent space, though it might be a bit tight for taller individuals, especially with the panoramic glass roof. However, in terms of knee and shoulder room, there's plenty of space, as you could comfortably fit 3 adults in the back. The person in the middle might need to adjust a bit though, due to the slightly raised floor from the transmission tunnel. For younger passengers, the car is equipped with ISOFIX anchors in the window seats and 3 top tether points. They might also appreciate the additional sun protection provided by the side window shades and a powered shade for the rear windshield. Number 3. Fancy steering column gear shifter. Let's talk about the gear shifter now, which has been relocated to the steering column. This strategic move not only provides more space in the central console, but also adds to the comfort and convenience features. With the shifter out of the way, the center console now houses better storage solutions, including larger cup holders between the front seats, a dedicated wireless phone charging area, and a spacious central bin. Hyundai's focus on improving the driving experience doesn't stop there. The center armrest now offers an additional palm rest, allowing drivers to relax their arm comfortably during journeys. While the new shifter design is logical, with a forward twist for drive and a backward one for reverse, it might take some time for users to adapt. Number 4. Blind Spot View Monitor. The huge curved digital display of the 2024 Sonata that not only adds to its wow factor, but also provides advanced functionality that enhances the driving experience. One of the standout features is the Blind Spot View Monitor. This technology is a cool game changer for people who drive on multi-lane roads all the time. Basically, when you use the turn signal before a lane change, the digital instrument cluster displays a live video feed of your blind spot, sourced directly from the side view mirror cameras. This effectively places an image of your blind spot on the instrument cluster right in front of you, providing enhanced safety and awareness while driving. Number 5. All-wheel drive system for the first time. For the first time on U.S. soil, the Sonata will feature an all-wheel drive system, which will no doubt make it more appealing to a broader range of sedan enthusiasts. It's Hyundai's well-established H-Track all-wheel drive system that will be coupled with a 2.5-liter engine, and which, at least on paper, should provide superior all-weather performance. However, since Hyundai is naturally a front-wheel drive car, you should also expect the H-Track to be a tiny bit front-wheel drive biased. Actually, it operates in front-wheel drive when in standard conditions. Only when a loss of traction is detected or when you choose to, the rear axle is also engaged for all-wheel drive. Rest assured, you have plenty of drive modes that'll help you navigate challenging situations. For example, Snow Mode will make driving during winter much safer and more confident. The Normal, Smart, Sport, and Custom modes allow you to personalize adjustments in the engine, transmission, all-wheel drive, and steering dynamics for an optimal driving experience. Number 6. Great powertrain options. Once you pop the hood of the new 2024 Sonata, you might find a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine, another 2.5-liter turbocharged version with a lot of oomph, and a 2-liter hybrid electric version. Unfortunately, the previous 1.6-liter turbocharged engine will no longer be available. This leaves the 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine as standard until you arrive at the top of the lineup, the N-Line model, which comes with a turbocharger and some mean 290 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. Additionally, the hybrid version combines a 2-liter engine with an electric counterpart to produce 192 horsepower. Moreover, this hybrid receives paddle shifters and a regenerative braking feature. That is cool. But let's get back to the base 2.5-liter inline-4 engine, which produces 191 horsepower. It can now be fitted with an all-wheel drive system, something you can't do if you opt for the hybrid version or the N-Line. If you choose the 2.5-liter turbo petrol engine from the N-Line version, you'll also get an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that operates smoothly at moderate speeds, distinguishing itself from the typical jerky nature of other DCTs. However, given its substantial power is channeled to the front, the Sonata N might occasionally lose grip, even in dry conditions. On suitable roads, the car's sound is a delight and can be surprisingly aggressive. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in 5 seconds, just a tiny bit slower than Honda's Civic Type R. Number 7. Over-the-air software updates. The 2024 Sonata will also receive over-the-air software updates, entering a new era of convenience and technology. This feature not only helps car owners save money, but also ensures they're always equipped with the latest software. This also helps improve Sonata's usability over time. In fact, the car is full of safety and convenience features, such as forward collision avoidance assist, rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, blind spot collision assist, safe exit warning and assist, lane keeping and following assist, smart cruise control with stop and go and highway driving assist. And while we're still at technology and convenience, the 2024 Sonata now offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Number 8. Digital Key. Beyond the conventional smart key, vehicles equipped with the Hyundai Digital Key offer the convenience of using smartphones or an Apple Watch to lock, unlock, and start the car. Basically, the Hyundai Digital Key transforms your smartphone into a car key, enabling you to lock, unlock, and start your vehicle using your phone. This technology is compatible with specific Samsung, Google, and Apple devices. Moreover, it allows key sharing with up to 3 individuals via Samsung Pass, Google Wallet, and Apple Wallet. Once you have it paired with your phone, you can simply hold your smartphone near the driver or passenger door handle. Speaking of phones, the 2024 Sonata now comes with wireless charging as standard. Yes, those are some cool updates. Number 9. Rear Occupant Alert. Another great feature of the 2024 Sonata is the Rear Occupant Alert system, which is designed to notify you if a child or pet might be inadvertently left in the back seat after you park. When you turn off the engine, the system checks if the rear doors were open at the start of the trip. If they were, a visual reminder will appear on the dashboard. It's important to remember that the rear occupant alert is an aid, but it doesn't replace being alert and attentive. It's always crucial to check the back seat and never leave a child alone in a car. And while we're talking about family sedans, it's worth mentioning that the new Sonata has made strides in reducing noise and vibrations, thanks to body reinforcements and a new steering wheel material, ensuring a much more comfortable and quiet drive. Number 10. Remote Parking Assist. The 2024 Sonata also features a remote smart parking assist that allows you to maneuver the car in and out of parking spaces using the smart key, even while standing outside the car. This doesn't mean that it'll park it for you, but you'll be able to forward or reverse it while standing outside of the car. It might come in handy for tight parking spaces. However, this feature is exclusive for the premium limited version. So yeah, you'll have to pay extra for this option. As standard, Hyundai comes with a Smart Sense package that includes automatic high beam assist, adaptive cruise control, and a driver attention alert that detects if the driver is feeling sleepy or not paying full attention to the road. Of course, the forward collision, automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assists are available as standard. Yes, the 2024 Sonata looks and offers much more expensive and modern features than you might expect, and that's why we think it's a great choice for 2024.